morning and welcome. You're watching the CommexFX Daily Outlook for Friday, January 30th. The euro rose 0.43% against the US dollar and closed at 1.1328. Yesterday, data showed that jobless rate in Germany dropped to 6.5% in January, meeting market expectations. Gains in the euro were kept in check after consumer prices in Germany retreated 1% on a monthly basis in January, more than market expectations for a 0.8% drop. In other economic data, the final consumer confidence index in the Eurozone registered a rise to -8.50 in line with market expectations, while the region's economic confidence index unexpectedly fell to a level of 101.2 in January, lower than market expectations for a rise to 101.6. In the US, number of people claiming jobless benefits for the first time dropped more than expected to near 15-year low level of 265,000 in the week ended 24th of January 2015, compared to market expectations of a drop to 300,000. The pair is expected to find support at 1.1267, and the fall through could take it to the next support level of 1.1211. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 1.1374, and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 1.1425. Trading trends on the euro today are expected to be determined by the Eurozone CPI and unemployment data scheduled in a few hours. Meanwhile, the US fourth quarter GDP data would grab a lot of market attention, scheduled later today. The British pound fell 0.48% against the US dollar and closed at 1.5071. In economic news, the UK CBI Distributive Trade Survey retail sales balance fell to a level of 39% in January, compared to market expectations of a drop to 32%, while Britain's nationwide house prices rose 0.3% on a MOM basis in January. The pair is expected to find support at 1.5006, and the fall through could take it to the next support level of 1.4940. The pair is expected to find this first resistance at 1.5151, and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 1.5230. Trading trends on the pound today are expected to be determined by Britain's mortgage approvals, along with net consumer credit data scheduled in a few hours. The US dollar strengthened 0.76% against the Japanese yen and closed at 118.36. Overnight data showed that Japan's national CPI surprisingly edged up to 2.4% on a YOY basis in December, beating market forecasts for a 2.3% rise. Additionally, jobless rate in the nation unexpectedly eased to 3.4% in December, lower than market expectations to remain unchanged at 3.5%. The pair is expected to find support at 117.61, and the fall through could take it to the next support level of 117.14. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 118.53, and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 118.97. Going forward, investors would monitor numeral JMMA manufacturing PMI data scheduled in the early hours on Monday. The Australian dollar weakened 1.59% against the US dollar to close at 0.7770. The pair is expected to find support at 0.7706, and the fall through could take it to the next support level of 0.7624. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 0.7885, and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 0.7981. Going forward, investors await Australia's AIG Performance of Manufacturing Index data scheduled over the weekend. Gold prices traded lower by 1.99% against the US dollar at $1259.30 per ounce amid a broad strength in the greenback on the back of upbeat first-time claims for jobless benefits in the US. Separately, holdings of the SPDR Gold Trust, the world's largest gold-backed exchange trade fund, rose to 752.70 tons from its previous close of 743.44 tons. The pair is expected to find support at 1246.80, and the fall through could take it to the next support level of 1232.60. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 1280.50, and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 1300.00. CommexFX is now offering a new application. Download the brand new CommexFX TradeMate app right now and receive daily market predictions, suggested market directions to trade on, highlighted best trading options, and more covering a wide range of markets including energy, metals, indices, and forex, among others. Trade easily, trade successfully. For more information on CommexFX Trade Mate tab, kindly visit our main website www.commexfx.com. Stay in the know by liking us on Facebook, following us on Twitter and Instagram, circling us on Google+, and of course, subscribing to our YouTube and CommexFX TV channel. Have a great trading day.